box, the first step is the processor. This is an AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, which is one of the best CPUs available. Although it's small, the processor is actually one of the most important parts of a computer, and this CPU is going to be complete overkill for my system. Handling the CPU, you need to be extremely careful, holding it only by its edges, making sure not to damage the gold pins underneath. To install it, you need to unhinge this lever to access the CPU socket. Next, align the gold triangle on the CPU with the triangle on the motherboard. Then, without applying any pressure, you simply drop the CPU into the socket and let gravity work its magic. Hook the lever back into place, and just like that, boom, the CPU's installed. I thought this was going to be the scariest step, but that was kind of a breeze. A light air, one might say. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. Alright, next up is the RAM. This is the popular Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro Slimline Edition. And yes, the rest of the part names are going to be just as long. I think 32 gigs should be plenty for a pleb like myself, but I can always get more later on. The RAM goes in these slots here, and since I only have 2 sticks, they're going in slots 2 and 4.